Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class in English education. I'm sure that you all are doing your work properly and making your homework what I have given you in my last classes. Today we will I will continue writing section by reading article writing. Class 8 writing section, article writing. So first of all, we will understand what is article. What is an article? Introduction. Articles are written to give views or convey some information on a variety of themes. For example, an event, person, action, place and opinion. Means article articles are written, articles लिखा जाता है on views or conveys about any information about any particular topic, any burning issues, any problems like about animals, about a shortage of water, global warming, and also there is like about any event that can be about an event, that can be about any person like Sachin Tendulkar, like Sri Narendra Modi, about any action that can be about. Then article can be about any place, any historical places, and about any opinion. So the topic can be anything. Types of articles. There are two types of article writing. One is magazine article and second is newspaper article. It is especially written in a magazine or a newspaper. It can be shared. Means articles are written in two ways. In a magazine, the topics can be about various activities of the school, college, company, about any company, that can be about any company, about any institutions. So these usually publish article in a magazine. And in newspaper, the topic can be about common concern, common interest of the people, for the welfare of the people, for the welfare of the society and whole country as well. So this way it can be our topic of article writing. Now we have understood what is article writing. Now we will know how to write an article. So I would start with its format. First of all, format in first point, heading. Our heading should be eye catching. Suppose that this is a copy. In the first page on the top you have to give a heading like global warming. Then just below you have to write by, and there should be your name, by, like by Sanjay Kumar. So this way you can write here name. Means there must be writer's name. By line there should be writer's name who is writing that article. And then we will start body of the article by giving introduction. By giving introduction we will start here writing article writing. In introduction, first paragraph must introduce the subject of the article. Means in first paragraph you have to introduce about the subject, about what you are going to write that article, and it should tell the readers what the paragraph is about. Or in your first paragraph, reader must know that the topic is about what. Means readers को ये पता होना चाहिए, कम से कम जो आप लिख रहे हैं उसे ये पता चले कि आप किस बारे में लिख रहे हैं, किस टॉपिक पर लिख रहे हैं. दैट शुड बी क्लियर. थर्ड पॉइंट, डेवलप कॉज इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप. मीन्स इन सेकेंड पैराग्राफ, इन मिड पैराग्राफ, what you will write, there should develop cause and effect relationship with the readers and with the topic, with giving facts. By giving facts means you have to give the facts about that article writing and give examples. You can also give some examples and logical point and content also, etc. And the fourth point is the fourth point would be conclusion. Third paragraph. In third paragraph, you can conclude it by summing up of your ideas. Means you have to end up your ideas by giving some points about that टॉपिक. यू हैव टू एंड इट. आपको एक अच्छा फिनिशिंग देना है, एक फाइनल टच देना है आपके आर्टिकल राइटिंग को, एक अच्छा एंडिंग देना है कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को लिखते हुए. एंड पॉइंट 5, कीप वर्ड लिमिट इन माइंड. It is also very important when you are writing an article. There must be word limit. You should keep it in your mind that you should not exceed word limit. There must be given word limit like 100 word to 150 words. So there will be word limit. You have to follow that, and finally you will have a beautiful article writing. So it was complete knowledge and information about our article writing. So and it is clear, and also you have you can upload, you can download PDF file from the description box I have given, and make questions related to this article writing. And also you can read the article. One article I have uploaded there, written article. You can read that article and get a better concept, and you can write it in a well way. So thank you. That's all.